Connecting your supply chain when you start your factory digitalization journey can be a big hassle. Our TEAMconnect Solutions is a sophisticated, user-centric system that combines our manufacturing expertise with innovative digital capabilities to capture essential data points, helping you make smarter business decisions and improve productivity. LT Quality empowers your QC team to identify, track, and reduce defects quickly. LT Mechanic focuses on maintenance, repair, and facilitating changeovers of machines to reduce downtime during production. And LTIE lets industrial engineers monitor key metrics in real time and quickly optimize manufacturing lines to maximize productivity. TEAMconnect provides feature-packed software solutions to facilitate an end-to-end workflow while delivering real-time insights, so that you can make smarter and faster business decisions to increase productivity while reducing downtime and improving quality. Find out more on our website to get started today.